Okay, in order to change a headlight on the HHR, you'll need a 7mm socket, a trim puller tool, or a flathead screwdriver, I prefer that, and gloves, because you don't want to touch the actual bulb. If you do that, it'll shorten the life of your bulb substantially. So you need to pop this tab and this tab and remove this 7mm screw right here. Once you have that removed, you can reach up in here. You're going to feel the signal light receptacle, and then you'll also feel the headlights, so make sure you pull the right one. The headlight one is further in toward the center of the car. Here's sort of a behind the scenes look, since you can't actually get your head in here. I got the camera back in here so you can kind of see what it looks like in there. Once you get your fingers on the connection, you turn it slightly counterclockwise and pull it straight back out. You twist a little bit counterclockwise to pull it out. And this is why I use a glove, because if you pull it out and it breaks, you don't get glass in your fingers. Okay, so here's the new bulb. This is the old one. I'm gonna just squeeze and pull it out. Of course, this one came apart in the wrong way. That can happen. I'm gonna use a flathead screwdriver to pry it out. Okay, hopefully yours doesn't take that much trouble to get off. So you put the new one on, verify it works, turn my headlights off. Then you'll reach back up, careful. You want to have the bulb tilted upwards, not down, to help guide it into place. Once you get it in the receptacle, lock it by turning it slightly clockwise. You'll feel it stop. I went back and shot some additional footage after going through the initial video, realizing there were some other shots I wanted to get to help you see what's going on when you're installing it. Like here, you can actually see the headlight bulb going into the assembly when you're putting it in there. And then just reverse the bits. Put your tabs back in. Maybe don't use such crappy old gloves like I did. You may find it easier, as I do, to put the screw all the way back in first before you press the tabs all the way in. Make sure these are lined up in the holes. That's it. Done. In addition to LED bulbs, there's quite a lot of selections for the standard type bulbs you can get. As always, thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.